often amazed how especially young people trust the output from large language models or LLMs like ChatGPT. Not only do those models hallucinate, but notice the following. This is from Cyber News. There's a weasel in every AI. Chatbots secretly chase hidden agendas. Do you honestly think the chatbot is being honest with you? AI models were never instructed to play sneaky mind games. However, new research has revealed that they apparently lie, sabotage useful work, sandbag evaluations, and engage in other covert, deceitful scheming. Not only do they hallucinate, but they do all of that. Frontier AI chatbots like ChatGPT secretly pursue misaligned goals, a practice researchers call scheming. The rate at which chatbots engage in covert actions is also alarmingly high. So in a study conducted by OpenAI, a leading developer of large language models, and Apollo Research, a safety organization, they found that OpenAI's O3 model had a 13% covert action rate, while another model schemed at 8.7% of the time across 20 test environments before any anti-scheming measures were applied. So ChatGPT's cunning was observed in its thinking process. For example, the model faked being dumb when researchers asked it to evaluate itself to determine whether they needed to continue training it. The model intentionally provided lower scores, acknowledging the sabotage in the reasoning step. Given an impossible coding task, the model realized it was impossible, but claimed to fully complete it anyway. Models were also observed breaking many rules, like falsifying surveys or input data, or secretly modifying protected configuration files while lying to users about what they had actually done. They also doubled down on their lies when asked about them. They even sometimes demonstrated situational awareness. They act better when they realize researchers are evaluating them. You can go and read this report if you're interested. Stress testing, deliberate alignment for anti-scheming training. But it's a bit worrying, I think. Notice here, and we'll end with this. Despite developers' intentions, all frontier models developed different goals and consistently engaged in deceptive behavior to pursue these goals. Do you honestly think it's wise to give these models your personal data and trust what they're telling you? Personally, I would be very careful what LLMs tell me. They're hallucinating. This is different to hallucination. This article from Cyber News goes into the two in more detail. These LLMs are secretly chasing hidden agendas in addition to hallucinations. Be careful trusting what they tell you.